Hello everyone, I'm Saurabh Bharti and you are watching Beam Hub channel, and let's design something new today. And today what I thought is I should design a water reservoir. Actually I was just walking by in the morning and I saw this reservoir, so I thought it would be a good idea to make this in Revit. Okay, so it will be a very small project, and before starting this project let me ask you one more thing, that is how many of you are interested in Revit structure? If 2 to 3 people will comment down that I should start the Revit structure complete project, then I will start that also. So if any one of you want that series, we can start that. So let's get started with our this project, that is our water reservoir. So I have divided this in 7 level, that is from you can see it starts from the 0 level, then 8 feet, then 60 feet, then 24 feet. So these are the elevation of it, and after 24 feet till 24 feet we have our column, and I think this column will go till this place in the middle of this something. So we will see what we can do about that, and we have something in the middle of this to hide this column that is going inside. After that we have a starting of our reservoir, that is starts from 24 feet to 30 feet, and then we have this end of the reservoir at 46 feet. So let's just draw this one, and remember that this is circular. Actually this is not this rectangular type, it is actually circular. So it is from view from the one of the side, that is why it looks something like that, and that is rectangular. So let's get started with our Revit. Go to new, imperial architectural. Okay, after this you need to model a line, and before that you can set the level. So let's just set the level. Level 1 is at 0 feet, then we have it at 8 feet. Then again you can go to datum and select level, or you can press LL on your keyboard to get the levels, and then you can write it as 8 feet, and then select this pick line from here, and you can make this elevations. So we have till 24 feet. After 24 feet we have it at 30 feet. So let's just draw it at 6 feet again. Then after 30 feet we have it at 40 feet. So 10 feet difference. After 10 feet difference we have it at 46 feet. So 6 feet again, and we are done with levels. You can also rename it, I'm not going to rename that. So just go to the level 1, then you can select this model line and select circle, and here you can just draw a circle that is of 24 feet or 20 feet. On this circle we are going to put one of our column, and then we will array that in 360 degree. So for that, okay, and before that there's one more thing. Just open calculator and divide 360 by 8, and you can see that it is 45 degree. Okay, and here we have to put one of the structure, I mean the column. So just go to the column. Here you will find none of the circular column, and if you go here in architecture also you cannot find the circular column. So you can again go to structure column, go to node family, and then go to the English or English Imperial. For me it is English, and structural column you will find the same thing in English Imperial also. Okay, and here we have to find concrete. So this concrete circular, yes. After this we have 300 millimeter column. Just go to edit type and then duplicate it and write it as 1 feet. Okay, actually we are going to draw a rectangular column here. So from here you can go to this 24 by 24. You can select this 18 by 18, that is this is the size we required. Actually I'm not going to draw it as circular, because if I draw a circular one I can draw that, but we have to make a design on this, so I'm not doing that right now. And as you can see we cannot find the middle ground of it. So for that what we can do is again go to the model line, and from here till here. Okay, I'll just draw a line, then go to the column, and actually column architecture 18 by 18. This is the size that we require, and we have just placed one of the column. After that just select this column, and we have to array it on this plane, that is the circular plane. So just select your array, and here we need a radial. This as you can see this linear is selected, we have to select this radial, and the number of column is 8, so it will be also counted in that. So we will have 7 more column on this plane, and from first to second we need an angle of 45. Just place it from the middle and start from the end point till here as 45 degree. As you have seen that I have calculated that, so you can just keep it at 45, exactly 45. Yes, and now as you can see we have this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 columns, and the 8 columns are placed on the middle, as you can see from here. And now we have to give it a height, so select all the columns. I'm just in the right view, or you can just go to the any of the elevation view from here. Okay, then select this column, or and can I give it a height? Yes, actually I can. There's some problem. Let me see. Select all, active dimension. Okay, so I think when we array we cannot change that. So first of all, just select this and give it a level height till level 4 actually. Okay, so from here till level 4, and you can give it an size of 1 feet extra or 2 feet from the top offset. Okay, and now if you can see in 3D it is placed till here. Okay, just select this once again, go to array, select this array, number of this 8, and always remember this is radial, and you can either do it as group and associate, or you can just leave that. Okay, so that is why we were not being able to change that height and all. So 8 and angle 45, place it from the middle. This is our starting point, and 45 45 done. So we have 18 numbers, and then you can either delete this one or you can keep it. And now if you can see, we can change it. So if you just remove the group and associate, you can change this levels. As you can see, the levels I mean this columns and has been designed. And now after designing the column, we have to do something like a circular wall over here. So just go to wall and draw a circular wall from the middle, and we need to hide this column in between this. You can either keep it like this or you can increase the size of it. So actually I need to increase the size of it. Just go to duplicate, and okay, first of all go to duplicate, give it a size of 12 inches, that is 1 feet. Okay, 12 inches. Okay, we already have 12 inches, so I'm just going to select this wall and this wall and change it to 12 inches, and now we are done. And as you can see from here, if I go to this, and now we have to change the level of it. So this starts from level 4 and ends at level 5. I think this is fine. Let me check. Level 4, level 5. No, it is not fine. So we have to keep, actually we need to draw it a little bit larger. So as you can see, we cannot edit the profile of this, so we have to draw it again. Just delete this, select wall and select the middle part. Okay, circular, select the middle part and just draw it till you can find. Yes, now it is covered. So just select this, give it a size of 12 inches. Done. After doing this, again select this wall, it starts from level 4 and ends at level 5 with an height offset of -2 feet. Okay, as you can see, now we are done. After this we have to draw one more wall, that is slanted wall. So again go to the walls and select this wall, circular wall, go to the middle and just select this wall from this place. Okay, and if you go to 3D, Where is that wall? Okay, just let me draw it one more time. This is first of all, go to the wall. It starts from level 4 and ends at level 5. Again, go to the circular, make it something like this, and as you can see, the wall is not visible. Not a problem. You can just select this one from here, and now as you can see that we have our wall, but it starts from level 1 only. So do it as level 4, base constraint level 4. Okay, up till level 5. The top constant is up till level 5. Okay, and base constraint is level 4. Just select the outer walls once again. Let me do it till level 6. No. So what we can do is, first of all, select this wall and double S to hide it. Select this, and as you can see, it is still level 5, and the top offset, yes, we have to reduce it till level 3. I mean 3 feet or 4 feet, I think. Yes, now this is enough. After this, press HR to get back your walls, and here you can give the base offset as minus, okay, base offset as 3 feet, I think. Yes, now it is fine. As you can see, now everything is placed correctly. After this, we need to do is that, as you can see, we need a slanted wall from here. From the image, as you can see, this is a slanted wall, so you can just select this. Instead of cross section in vertical, you can just do it at slanted and give it an angle of 45 degree. And now as you can see, there's one more problem from this, and that is, let me delete the half of it, and let me try to change this circle of it something like this. Yes, let me check. No, it is not yet done. We have to make a little bit of more changes to this. You can just reduce the size of it like this. And now as you can see, it is not yet correct. Select this one, make it more smaller, and just check it out. Is it perfect or not? No, it is not. And now let's just check it out once again. No. So either we can reduce the size of it, or we can keep it like this, or we can draw it again. Just go to the level 1, and okay, not in level 1, we have to go till level 4. Okay, and then again go to the wall, circular wall, and you can just select this pick lines, pick the outer line, go to the 3D, select this. Okay, just undo it. Level 4, walls are overlapping, okay, just again wall, pick lines, and offset of 12 inches. Okay, then up to level 6, circle, or you can just select this inner part of it, and now if you can see from here, slanted 45. So actually we have 1 2 3 4. Select this, go to slanted, give it an angle of 45. Okay, give it an angle of minus 45. top offset of, I mean the base offset of 3 feet. And as you can see that it is placed still here, we have to reduce the size of it once again. Okay, 180 degrees required. Delete it once again, go to the top view, go to the level 4, and just a second. So you can just go to the wall, circle from the middle, and as you can see I have given a base offset of 3 feet and it is slanted and it is already at 45 degree. Okay, and I have drawn just it from the inner side of it. And now if I go to 3D, now you can see that this is how it looks, and I think it is just fine. After drawing this, okay, it is not till level 6, it is still level 5 actually. Okay, something like this. And actually we need it a little bit higher, so I'm doing a change, that is this is still 36 feet. Yes, 6 feet height offset is required at this place. Then if it is at 36, you can do it as 46. Okay, we already have 46, so we can keep it at till 52. We don't have an actual elevation, so I'm just making some changes. So 36 till 46 feet. And now we need to draw a circular wall over this place, so just go to the level 5, and as you can see nothing is visible. Just go to the range base, and from here select range base level as level 4. Then you can go to the wall, go to this circle, and just draw a circle from here, something like this. I think, let me check. No, not like this. Again, go to this part, go to the wall, go to the circle, then not slanted, it is at 0 degree and it is vertical actually. Yes, and then we need the 12 inches, and here it start from level 5 to level 6, fine. And I can draw something like this on the top of that wall. And now if we go to 3D and check this out, so our top offset is at 0. Okay, so this will be something that start from level 4. Level 4 is much lower, so now it starts actually from the level 5. Okay, and base constraint is 0. Yes, that was the mistake, and I think it is a little bit more larger. So we actually we could have reduced the size of this column for that, so we have to increase it a little bit. So let's keep it at 50 feet. Yes, something like this. Okay, this is 52. If I'm going to keep it at 50 feet, it will be till 56 feet, 50 feet, and this is 56 feet. So we have to draw this one actually once again. So again, go to the wall, 12 inches fine, and then you can just select wall, and from here you can go to level 6. I think nothing is visible. Range base level 6, No, not yet visible. Okay, let's just go to the level 5 and let's try to draw the wall on the top side, that is from the level 6. We set constraint till level 7 and just draw a slanted wall vertical. Instead of vertical you can go to slanted minus 45 degree, I think. Yes, and now just try to draw it from the middle, something like this. And you can start from level 6. And if you want to reduce the size of this circle, I mean circle, not circle, you can just do it as minus 60 degree. And if you want to decrease it a little bit more, you can do it at 75 maybe, something like this. This is much more circular, so let's just keep it at minus 60 degree. Okay, and after this we have to provide one float, so just hide this and this one, and we have to provide our float from just go to the realistic view and then we will find it out from where we have to provide it. So actually we need to provide it from this starting point, and actually we have to reduce the size of it. It is minus 3 feet, you can do it as minus 2 feet maybe. Okay, actually minus 3, instead of minus 3 let me do it at minus 5 or minus 6 feet. What if I do it at minus 7? It should not be visible on the outer side actually. Okay, I mean on the inner side. So select this both and do it as minus 8 feet. And yes, now we have it. And after this we have to close this inner circle. So it is at starting level is 4. Just go to the level 4, then go to the flow, and here we need actually 12 inches. That is fine. Go to the middle, just draw a circular flow, finish it. Go to this and give it an height offset of maybe 5 feet or 4 feet. Let's just try it out. So 4 feet. Now it looks fine. Then press HR on your keyboard to get everything back. And now if you want to cover this, you can either cover it or you can just cover it and make something on top of it. So I'm just going to cover it first. So this is our level 7, I think, or level 6. Yes, level 6. You go to flow once again. Remember 12 inches. I cannot find the middle of it, so we can just pick the lines, and if you can't select it, just press here. Okay, we cannot do it like this also, so put that. What do we need? Level 7. Okay, where is that range base? Level 6. Now we can see it. Go to the flow, circle. We cannot find the middle, but we can pick the lines and finish it, attach it, detach target. Now go to 3D view, and now you have something like this. So this is our water tank. After this you can either draw something in the middle of it. For example, if you want something like circular or rectangular. Okay, let's just draw something rectangular actually over here. And as you can see, it is slanted, so just go to vertical, done, and just draw something like this on top of it. Go to 3D, select this, select this, select this, select this. Okay, the base is 7, cancel. Base is 7 and top constraint is 2 feet, and you can cut the middle of it finish it, attach it, unjoint element. Okay, there's one more problem. Undo it, select this one. Okay, just keep that whatever we have it. Okay, now go to the top, and if you want to cover it, okay, it is actually not on the middle side, so we have to make it on the middle. Undo it, undo everything. Go to model line, select one middle from here, one from here. Okay, we cannot see our model line. Just go to level 7, model line, make this line, make this line. Go to wall, go to rectangle, and draw a rectangle that is from 7 feet, and top offset is 2 feet, and just draw a rectangle from, okay, we cannot directly draw it from the middle. So first of all, just take a height of 4 feet maybe, then 2 feet, 4 feet. Okay, not like this, actually it will be at 2 feet. Okay, or you can do is again go to the wall, 2 feet to 2 feet. Yes, then on this side 2 feet, on this side also 2 feet, again 2 feet, then I can select the wall, keep it at 4 feet from here. You can just delete this, trim it, trim this to this. Now go to 3D, you have something like this. After this, select this one, go to edit boundary, again just select this line, pick the lines on the inner side of it, finish it, don't attach, finish. And let me see if we have the gap or not. Yes, the inner side of it is visible, I think, or not. So yes, it is visible. Now that we have drawn it, if you want to draw something on the this side so that people can walk and have a stair on this side, you can also do that. So after this, what I'm going to do is we are just going to make something like this crisscross. If I can show you from the image, let me edit, and what I want is, okay, I cannot on that look, let me paint it, open this image. And now that we are done with that part, we have to do something like this. Select this line, black, okay, or I can show it to in different color. So we have to draw something like this. Okay, line and this place, then again, okay, I'm just using the pen, and we are going to draw something like this. Okay, so for that we have to, what we need to do is just go to the any side of it. Okay, I'm going to the front view. After going to the front view, actually we have to make a wall in the middle so that we can use it as our reference. So just draw a wall on any side. So I'm just drawing a wall from here to here and select this wall. If you can go to 3D and increase the size of it just like this. So instead of taking the, what we can say, the reference plane, I've just drawn this wall. After this, just go to this view, wherever it is, then go to the model in place, generic model. Okay, go to the extrusion, and here you can select rectangle, set the plane, pick a plane, and pick this plane. After picking this plane, you can just go to the hidden line, and now you can start drawing this one. So I told you we are going to draw something like this. So it is at 13 feet. No, not at that place. It starts from this very end of this column, and it goes up to this one. And as you can see, we can also give it an angle, so I'm just assigning it at 15-degree angle. So if we have assigned it here at 15, so from that side we need, okay, I can just mirror it. Let me see, select this one, mirror it. As you can see, we have mirrored it. Select this and give it an offset of something like 9 inches. 9 inches from here, 9 inches from here, trim it. Select this whole part, again go to the mirror it, and we need it actually, okay, just mirror it once again, mirror it, done. After this we have to mirror it on this, I mean from this side also. So just go to the mirror, select the middle part of this wall and mirror it. And now as you can see, we have something like this. So we have to connect all the outer parts first. Let's just keep it till here, then attach this wall to this one and this one to this, and then fine. And as you can see, it is a little bit here and there, so not a problem for that, just make it okay. After this we have to trim it. Okay, so I mean not to trim, first of all we have to split it. So press SL on your keyboard, or you can select it from here, then just split all the four sides, 1 2 3 4, then again 1 2 3 4, again 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, just split it, undo it, SL for the split, trim, done. Trim, I mean split, then trim it from here till here, trim it from here till here, like this. And the leftovers should be deleted, or it will give you an error afterwards. Trim. So now we are done with this part. Just check that every part should be attached. Attach this one, attach this one, attach this one, attach this one, and just finish it. And there's some intersecting line, yes, here. Trim, finish. And now we have something like this. Just finish this one, and as you can see, it does look good on this part. And if you want to reduce the extrusion of it, just select it, and right now it is at 1 foot. You can keep it at 9 inches, and this is how it looks. After this, just go to the level one, select this one, array it, and after that array 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, 1 is already there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So give it a number 8, first to second, place it, and radial, always remember, and start it from here till here. Okay, let's just check it out. What is the result of it? No, nothing yet. Again, select this one, array, number of it. Let me try to do it at 7, 45 degree. Replace it, place it from the middle, from here till here. Let me try. No, there's some error to it. I don't understand it. So what we can do is we can go to the edit in place and let's try to array it in this one only. Edit and give it a number 8, first to second, 45 degree. Place it from this middle place here to here at 45 degree, and now as you can see it has been placed on the very outside. Let me just try to finish and check it out first. So no, this is not what we want. Again, go to level 1, select it, edit extrusion, 3D view, level 1, select it. Okay, we cannot add it, finish it. Array, let's try to do it as group and associate. 7 number of it, first to second, place from here 45 degree. So no, I cannot place it. So we have to find a way to do this one actually. Okay, let's try one more time. 7, place in the middle, and here. There's some problem. Extrusion is fine, everything is fine. Then why is it giving us an error? Okay, let's try it once again. That is first to last, we need number 7, angle 360. Okay, place it. Okay, now everything is placed at this place. Let's try it once again. Go to this. Just a second. Okay, so Revit is just trying to mess it up, so I found a new way. That is, let me just copy this one from this place till this place. Okay, undo it, select this, copy it from here till here. Okay, after copying it, let me see first I have started recording or not. Okay, just copy it, then rotate it, and in rotate just click on the place and place it from this place to this place till here. And now we have something like this. You can just change the angle of it like this. Okay, so we are going to do the same array thing. Just go to this array, then we need 7 out from here, and then 45-degree, place it from the middle here till here, and now you can see that Revit has placed this finally, and now it looks fine. Then just finish the model. So it was not my fault, I don't know why it was doing so as you can see, we have something like this on the all side of this, and after this you can just delete this model line, and then go to flow, architecture, flow, rectangular. Okay, finish it. This is our flow, and there also you can do one more thing, that is go to toposphere. Where's that toposphere, massing inside toposphere, and just okay, you can make this toposphere on this place. Just make something 1 2 3 4 and finish it. Select this, go to by category, and here we need to provide it with a grass material. So create new material, rename it as one dot grass, so it will be at top. Go to asset, search your grass, and here we have what I use is this high quality grass, and you can just increase the roughness of it, apply it, and I've just cancelled this. Should I have to do it once again? Go to this, create new material, rename it as one dot grass, go to asset, select grass, high quality grass, apply it. Okay, and now you will have some grass over here, and let's go to 3D, check this out, and as you can see this is messing up a little bit, so you can either delete this flow or you can keep it. So I'm going to keep it but make it a little bit smaller. Okay, finish it. Select this and go to edit scripts, this, and then select this both point, give it an offset of -8 inches, and here -1 feet. Finish it. Go to 3D, and now you find something like this. Now after doing this you can just provide the materials to this part. So for this I'm going to use something as a red color, so go to manage, let's manage materials, create new material, rename it as one dot wall, go to asset library. Okay, not asset library, we have to create it by our own. Go to render view, appearance, select the image. So I will use the same image that I have used in my last project, so which was that map. Yes, I think this one. Select this, open this, go to pump, select this, open this, texture, do it as 550, and then give it a tint, and the tint should be brick red, so just something like this. Okay, not pink, red. Yes, something else on this brownish red, and okay, select this wall, go to edit by category, just select this wall material, and now it will be applied all over. So to see the color of it, just go to realistic view, and now you can see that it is something of this. So we have to make a little bit of more changes to the image. Go to the material, select your wall, I mean just material. After this go to images, and here it is 1 feet, you can do it as 15 feet, and on pump also the same 15 feet. Apply it, okay. And now you can see that you have something like this, and after that the top of this, so we have to make some changes to it. Go to this. You can either reduce the size of it or you can keep the 12 inches height is fine, but okay, let me reduce and I will just change the material of it. So just go to this, do it as 6 inches, done, and then edit type, go to category, select this wall material, done. And as you can see, we have this everywhere. After this, if you want to give this same material to this ones also, you can just go to edit type, and here we have to do the same thing. I think we don't have to do it same, or maybe, I don't know. Just go to this wall only, give it the same material, finish it, and now everything has been changed to this color. And if you want to change the color of it, you can also make a new material from here. Just finish this model, and let's try to give it a different material. Go to this, go to material, and then let's try to make it one dot, what do we call that, truss type material, or not truss, what do we call that, I just forgot that. Okay, not wall. Okay, just keep it as design. That is called as, let me remember, and Revit structure, we can find that name. Okay, so let's just try to give it a material. Go to concrete, flooring. If you want to give some wood material, you can give that, or any other material from here, not in liquid. And one more thing, that is we have not provided the water to that one. So let's try this burgundy color. Okay, apply it. And go to edit in place, select this, edit group, select anyone out of it, go to the wall, and instead of wall, just give it this design material, and finish it. Every one of them will be changed to this color actually, yes. Okay, just finish it. Now that we have finished this one, we have to provide water. So just hide this wall, hide this wall. After this, you can also hide this ones. Then okay, we have not provided the color to this ones. Go to edit type, and either you can just provide the color or you can change it to 12 inches. Yes, the color has been provided. Select this, go to edit type, give it the same wall material color, wall, finish. Okay, okay, done. Okay, not this one, undo it. Select this, edit type. Okay, I'm going to select it as 6 inches because we have to change the color of that one from 6 inches, but it will be a little bit of larger size. Remember that I've just done the architecture part of it. So you can change the size of it and duplicate that material. Okay, so now what do we need to do here is go to architecture, go to component, model in place, and in model in place just select generate model, give it the name water, and then go to extrusion and draw an extrusion on this side, maybe from the middle till here, finish it, and it starts. Okay, so we have just chosen the wrong plane. We can just do it something like this, and then from here till here. Okay, select this, go to by category, make a new material, one dot water, and then go to asset, search here for water, and here I'm going to use this tropical blue, and just increase the weight height. You can also give the tint to this water. Finish it. Press Acha. And after this, we have to do something on the other side also. For that, just go to the landscape, add set library, vegetation and trees, and then we can place some household, and then we can render our project, and this will end this session. So it was just this video. From tomorrow I can either start the Revit structure part or a new complete project series. So I already have an idea of what I have to do in the complete project series, and in Revit structure I will have to think about it, that what should I make first. Just place some trees, and again select a different kind of tree. Place it all over. Now that you have placed this, then go to the street props, and put some buildings on the side of it. And now that we are done, let's just finish our project and render it, and then I will finish it. Okay, we are done. If you want to do some more things, you can do that. Then just go to the landscape, go to the start, and now you will see the render of it. Now as you can see, we have something like this. I'm just pressing Ctrl W to go with this place, and this is how our water tank looks. So as you can see, the solar light is not visible. Just a second. Okay, so to change the solar light, we have Control U button. Yes, now everything is visible, and as you can see, this is our water tank. We can go inside of it. We can change the sunlight. We can change the color of it, and as you can see, we have just placed a little bit of hole in this place. So you can remove that hole or you can cover that hole, and from this hole I've just kept to show you that there is water inside of this tank. This is how it looks. And as you can see from the sides, these bumps are so realistic in this one. And let me just cover that hole actually. So just go to the level 7, save the project, write the name. There's the tank map, or you can say water reservoir. Go to this, select wall, just draw a small wall. Okay, Okay, not wall, actually it's a floor that is 6 inches rectangle. Make it here, finish it, attach it. Okay, go to the top of it. Now as you can see that, okay, 2 feet height is just enough for it. Again you can go to 3D, and now you can see that it is covered, but there's some problem to it. What is that? Okay, just let's try to undo it. Select the wall, give it a height 2 feet 6 inches. Yes, this is how it is. Now you can see it is covered. If you go inside, but there's no light source on the inner side of it, but still you can see the water. So we are done with the tank design, and if you want that I should draw something else in the Revit, you can just ping me or comment down below. And as you can see, we have not provided material to this one, so we have to provide the same material to that one also, that because we have not added that one to the group actually. But from here, as I can see, okay, this one, go to edit, select this one by category, design, finish. Now go to the landscape, let it just finish it, and just take a back look, and now you can see that, okay, and there's one of the wall that we have to remove from the behind. Select that wall, delete that, and now everything is just visible as it should be. As you can see, if I can show you from this level, okay, let me just go over this place, and from here it is visible, and I just fall down. Okay, so this is our tank design. I need to take a screenshot of this one, and then I have to make a thumbnail. So let's just try to take a screenshot. Let me go back. Okay, thank you for watching. I will upload this video and this file also, the Revit file. You will find in the link in the description below. So thank you for watching. Let's just end this session.